Yo, what's up, my dudes? Welcome back to a brand new video, and what I'll be doing today is unboxing the HYPERX Cloud 2 Pro Gaming headset, and I can't wait. This is like, I heard they're really good. The sponsors are Cloud9, Team Liquid, VICI Gaming, Esports, CNB, Echo Fox, League, and yeah, it's compatible with PC, PS4, Xbox One, and mobile. So yeah, they're also good for Discord and Skype. Yo guys, if you're brand new to my channel, subscribe, like, hit the dab, and press post notifications, notified from the next videos. And guys, don't spam comments saying, whose birthday was it? This was a long time ago. We just never brought it down. So yeah, it comes with 100% memory foam, detachable mic, and 53mm neodymium drivers. There's a 3.5mm headphone jack, I guess, and a USB 2mm. Oh yeah, so yeah. What's it come with? Premium USB sound card, virtual 7.1 surround sound, advanced noise cancellation mic. Well, let's get into it. Like my knife, kind of plain green, but I guess I'm rocking the green today. So all them, and guess what? Comment down below. Do you think you want Michigan or State to win the basketball game? Don't start spam commenting if you're a Michigan fan. You win, Green. You're a Michigan State fan. Well, guess what? I'm both. My family's split. So it's not really a wait. Oh yeah, hear you. Unnecessary. So when you open it, it's black. There's a box inside a box. Yay! Now let's see how long it's gonna take me to get this out. So that wasn't that hard. So, get, of course, the manual. No one reads. Quick start guide. You can plug them into your Xbox controller or your Xbox controller adapter, or you can plug in your PS4. To do that, you have to go to settings, devices, audio devices, auto, output, headphones, select all, blah, blah, blah. Mac, PC, they all work. Yeah, okay. So let's actually get into the unboxing. Let's just do a replay of that. Yo, let's actually, okay, so we have foam here. So we have the detachable mic. It is detachable. We got the multi-adapter. How is that? This is an adapter to 3 point, so I don't really probably a 3.5. Yeah, 3.5 millimeter, two 3.5 millimeters to a head jack. I'm not gonna use that because the only thing you'd probably plug it into this, and then you can plug this into multiple stuff. Yeah, we got the adapter, USB adapter thing, control mic volume, music volume, turn yourself mute. Oh, it has a clip. Yo! Bro! No way, dude. There's a flipping clip. You can flip it in there. Okay, got that. We got some extra, I guess, your comfort. Okay, now we're here for what you guys been looking for all today, brothers. Yo, it's actually sweet. Got the wires here, foam padding. Yo, there's a leather. Yo. Oh, wow. I can barely even hear myself. Bruh. Let's just get a close up of this. These are pretty sweet. And you have like this leather. It's pretty sweet. Yo, those headphones are sweet. 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 Anything else come in it? Got this foam thing. A case full of them. Yo. HYPERX just. That HYPERX Cloud 2 just hit the top. We got Killing Patch Pack. Well, from feeling those and these, I'm not going to change the original. So, bye-bye. Probably use this if I'm playing on my PC, but bye-bye. I'm going to need this, but so bye. So apparently that was set up. Oh wait, I got one thing. Bye. The adapter. That was a slow, boring thing, but let's set it up. Cringe. Pizza. Yo, those headphones are sweet. 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 Anything else come in it? Got this foam thing. A case full of them. Yo. HYPERX just. That HYPERX Cloud 2 just hit the top. We got Killing Patch Pack. Well, from feeling those and these, I'm not going to change the original. So, bye-bye. Probably only use this if I'm playing on my PC, but bye-bye. I'm going to need this, but, so bye. So, apparently that was set up. Oh, wait. I got one thing. Bye. The adapter. That was a slow, boring thing, but let's set it up. Cringe. Pizza. So I actually love these. They fit good. They're adjustable. Yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, subscribe, like, hit the post notifications to be notified for my next videos. And yes, you guys probably gonna be spam commenting. I think your match was supposed to come out in March. It's the 9th. What are you doing? Guess what? I'm sorry, but I've been building my website and it's finished, but my order has not come in yet. So it should be published by, let's say, March 12th. No. March 15th. Yeah, that sounds reasonable. March 15th, because I believe that's when my order comes in before. Or, well, I guess I put in my order, but it's been processing, so the order should finally get through manufacturing by March 15th. So my website will be up, but once you buy it, I guess there's nothing you can really do. You buy it, and you won't get it till April 7th. If you buy it on, like, if you buy it on March 10th or 11th, you'll get it around April. It's not that, it's just that the stuff has to come to me and then I send you guys it out. So you got, yeah. Subscribe, like, and hit the dab.